Here is how to enable or disable game activity status on Discord mobile application. So first, go ahead and open your Discord application, log into your specific account, and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. From the account settings, select Content and Social, which is between account and data and privacy. Now scroll down to the server settings. Here you'll get the option of server defaults. Select it. Now select all servers instead of selecting a random or specific server. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and toggle the message request and defaults for all servers as well. And to change the activity status for specific servers, you can find the server and toggle the activity status option on or off. You may also need to adjust this setting individually for each server. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.